However, if you're like me, have not really good shoulders, and it's kind of really awkward and uncomfortable for me. So what I do is I grab this. And thank you so much for joining me. The ones that are new, people that are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to, as you can see in the title, I'm going to show you my little tips and tricks about not getting any heat damage to your hair. And as I'm doing it, as you can see, I have my turban on. I just washed my hair. I'm going to actually use some products. I'm going to show you what products I use. And you probably, those of you who actually were, watching my channel before, know probably some of these. I'm going to tell you about what I do, how I do it, and all the tips and tricks of how I get my hair without using a flat iron. So first, after I wash my hair, I'm going to put this on, which is crack mist. I will put all of the description of everything that I use in the description below, so you can see the links and then you can check them out. But this is the first one here, and it is crack. I put this on right after I get out of the shower. After I have my hair in a towel, I pretty much leave it for like maybe 15 minutes in a towel, so the towel can kind of soak up all of the water. So I just have my coffee and just sit back and just wait for about 15 minutes. Then once I take it out, I put this on. The reason I do that is because this is a mist. It helps with detangles, and it actually shines and conditions your hair, as well as it does help with give a lot of heat protection as well. So I do that first. Then I put on this. Now this one is the Cream Heat Spray by Maria Nils. It's really, really wonderful. I use about two squirts, and you have to shake it really. You have to shake it really good because it does separate. So I want to make sure it's all together. And once I do that, I just put it on. So this is the next one that I put on my hair, in conjunction with this one here. This one here is the Absolut by L'Oreal. You can get this on Amazon. I think most of these you can probably get on Amazon. This one is the Series Expert, the one that it is the Absolut. Now, both of these can go to high as 450. So if you really still want to use your flat iron, you can do that with these two here. So these two are really, really, really good. So I would definitely do that. So I use that. And then after I do that, I use my little trusty detangling brush. Now I use this one right after I get out of the shower. I wait about 15 minutes. Then I, sit and have some coffee, and just wait. And then after about 15 minutes, I take the turban off, and then I spray it with the mist, and then I brush my hair out. So that's what I do. And then, I'll show you what I do. So no further ado, here we go. So I'm going to take my turban off, and I just scrunch it. I don't scrub. Never, ever, ever scrub. As you can see, my hair is just lovely. but it does help having the turban, because if you can look at it, I've only been out here for like about 15 minutes out of the shower, and it's already starting to to dry. But you see how curly my hair is? It's very, very curly, wavy, natural waves actually, because once it dries, my hair goes whoo, like a tiger's mane. But I like to have it flat because I think it looks better on me. So what I do is I take the mist and I spray, and I kind of spray where my hair gets tangled a lot, which is in the back, So, and I'm almost out. So, anyway, and then I just kind of just rub it in all over, and I just separate. Then I brush my hair. And what I do is I do the bottoms first, and then I gently go up. And you can see my hair is really, it tangles really easy. So what I do is I get in there. Okay, see? Now you can see how my hair is, just like that. So I split it in half, and I just do the one side. Kevin, stay with it, please. Mm-hmm. And then I do the bottom, and then get my way up a little bit higher. There we go. So now, and then I do the back. All right, so I got this done. So what I do is I keep it split, and I make sure that my part's even. So wherever you part your hair, brush it down. See how easy that is? I mean, this stuff is a miracle. Love it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is, you're gonna need a clip. I have this clip that it was in my husband's shaving thingy, a shaving kit for shavers, and it works fine for my hair, so I kept it. So if you have one handy, or if you want to go get one somewhere, any kind of clip will do. So I would use this clip. And what I do is I take a section, which is this section here, and then, there we go. So I take the bottom section, I roll it up, and I clip it. And so I basically just have this one here. So what I do next is I spray the ends with this one spray, and I always kind of do that because it just helps protect it. Then I take 2 pumps of this, 2 squirts there. Like I said, you shake it, which I already shook it, but you shake it and then you put 2 squirts. Then it's just a little bit. And I like to do it this way because a lot of people I know, take this and they go, or whatever. I don't do that. I do it individually as I'm doing it to make sure that it is getting everything. And then same with this. I do a little pea size, not very much at all. And then I just do the ends. And then I just kind of run my fingers through it. And then I just put it through, just like this. And I make sure the ends are taken care of. So I got my hair prepped. It's ready. So now here comes the trick. Now, I do use this brush. Now this brush was I had bought from my hairdresser. And it is the Olivia Garden. Like I said, I'll put all the links to where you could get this. It was about probably 30 bucks or so. But I like this brush because not only does it does the ion and all that, but the bristles, if you could see the bristles, if you can look close to the bristles here, they are not just bristles. It is a type of I'm not sure what they actually use, but it is ceramic, so I'm not sure. But all I know is it does work. It has little ridges on it, but it really flattens your hair really well. I don't know about the other round brushes or anything like that, but I know this one is the bomb. I love this one. So what I do now, after I prepped my hair, this is my regular, just get a blow dryer, doesn't matter. But this blow dryer, what I do is a lot of people, what a lot of people do is when they dry their hair, they just start spraying and they, go like this, and all that, which is fine. However, if you're like me, have not really good shoulders, and it's kind of really awkward and uncomfortable for me. So what I do is I grab this part, and this is what I use on either hand that I'm going to be doing my hair. So I have more control, and it's easier for me to blow dry my hair and everything. I mean, it's just right here. It's not like up in here. So that's how I dry my hair. So I'm gonna do that, and you'll see how I do it. So what I do first is, when it's going, I brush like this, and then as I'm doing it, I roll it, and then roll it, and then roll it, and that's how I continue doing that with every single hair strand. And then once it's dry, you'll see what I'll do. Okay, so. Okay, so now this side's done, so I put it behind my ears, and then what I do is I get this side here, which is the exact same thing. I do exact same thing as I did on this side to this one. All right, so some of you are probably wondering, what about the top of my head? So what I do with my top of my head, I do not put any of these products on the top of my head. What I do is, because of the fact is that if I put these products on the top of my head, it will, I've done it before, so that's why I'm like, I never do it. That you have the natural oils in your hair to make it shine and all that good stuff. And the second is because it can weigh your hair down and make it look greasy. It can just make it look like it's dirty. So I don't. I just like doing just the ends of my hair, because that's what I focus on, not the top of my head, because that is where new growth has come out, and it's not gonna, it's not gonna matter putting this on your top of your head, because this doesn't really anything for the scalp. So it just does it for the hair. So I totally don't do that with this one. All I do is I do blow dry it. And what I do is so that's what I do. Take my wooden brush. As you can see, from start to finish, this is what my hair looks like, start to finish. And it is straight. You don't have to worry about flat ironing or anything. And I put the roller, and when I'm doing the roll at the end of everything, I do more like this. I do it one more time. And then what I do is I hold it while I'm blow drying the hair. So it'll curl. It'll give a little bit of a curl. And I do the exact same thing to this one because I do it one more loop after I dry my top of my head. Then I do one more time, and then I just go around, round, and then I hold it. And then round, round, and then because I could see right here, and then I can just see it and then hold it and then down. Voila. So that's what I do from start to finish. I just, like I said, I don't put nothing on top of my hair. I just concentrate on the ends of my hair, and as you can see, it is very, very shiny, and you can see how much I put on every single strand, and it's not weighing it down at all. Nothing. So it's just, you can see how, how it's very light, and it's not heavy at all. It's not weighing it down. So that's what it is. And so I have products that I am telling you about. I don't get any at all compensation or money for it. All of the stuff I bought with my own money. I paid for it. I tried it. Some things I like, some things I don't like. It just depends on what I'm buying. My reviews and all that. I don't get paid for any of it. It's just that this is what I want to share with you, and to let you know what works for me. It might not work for you, but it works for me. How I do my hair, that's what I do. I just do a little at a time, and concentrate on the ends of my hair, just to make sure that it's, that the ends are taken care of, because that's what actually starts to split. Then your hair won't grow. So I hope this helps. I hope that you find this helpful. If you do, please, put a comment, hit the bell, let me know, get notified. And if you like it, hit the thumbs up. We're going to be doing random knotting again. I did ask my husband, and he said, yeah, why not? So we're going to be going to some different places. We're still thinking of what we're going to be doing. So, but you stay tuned for that video, probably next. So you guys take care. Till next time, 6 feet apart with a mask. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye.